Hello there and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn on your ghost mode on Snapchat. So doing this is very much simple and easy. So when you turn on your ghost mode on Snapchat, people can't see your location when they hop on your profile. If you're active on Snapchat too, they're not going to see your active status. So normally you can hop on someone's Snapchat and see whether they're online or they're offline. When you turn on this ghost mode, they're not going to see that. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this in this video. Very simple. So hop on your profile like this. When you just hop on Snapchat, just try to navigate to your profile. So on your profile here, you just tap on your settings. So good. So on this settings side, we just scroll down here. Scroll down. So on here, we move to see my location. So now let's turn this on. So when it's enabled, your friends can see your location just like they're seeing. You'll be going on ghost mode. So for 3 hours, for 24 hours, until I turn it off. So let me do it like that. Now I'm turning the ghost mode on. So when I turn it on, I add data bundle to, make this successful. I'm not connected to the internet. That's why it's acting weird. So yeah, that's it on how you can turn on ghost mode on your Snapchat. So when you do that, they're not going to see your location, neither are they going to see whether you're online or you're offline on Snapchat. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.